Failure of the government to appoint a third state finance commission. Election जेन्ना जाला आता ZPचे तेन्ना before the ZP elections government had promised that they would give powers, they would give money to the ZP. ताज्या पयली पंचायतीक दितले म्हणून they had given a lot of promises, but I think this is one more U-turn which they have done in the last 3 years of not giving any support to the grassroots bodies which actually need to be working in those particular areas under those particular constituencies. राजकारण करता आसतना सरकार विसरिल्ले आसा की अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ द थर्ड स्टेट फायनान्स कमिशन which was important, which should have been done in 2008 and 2009 आज पर्यंत केल्लो ना. We as the state of Goa, we compare ourselves with Kerala when it comes to the human development index, when it comes to literacy. केरलाचे 5 स्टेट फायनान्स कमिशन झाले, 5वें, आणि आमचं अजून थर्ड स्टेट फायनान्स कमिशन जायना. 2012 परिवर्तनाची लाट आयली आणि परिवर्तनाच्या लाटेन सगळ्यांक दिसलें की हो सरकार तरी कितें करतलो म्हणून. In 2012 the present chief minister was the then director, the then minister for panchayats, along with Mrs. Alina Saldana, the minister for environment, along with Mr. Ramesh Tawardkar दिसता म्हाका, the chief secretary, director of panchayats, आणि सगळ्यांक they were formed into one particular committee for the third state finance commission. The role given to them was to study the report given by Mr. Alban Kuto, who was the head of the second state finance commission, explore the possibilities of implementing this particular thing in the state, आणि recommend the requirements of the third state finance commission. 2012 ती एक मिटींग जी जाली, वायट दिसता सांगपाक की ताज्या मागीर आतां 3 वर्सां जालीं अजून पर्यंत कांयच जाल्लें ना. तातूंत पयर ZPची निवडणूक जावन आयली. ZPची निवडणूक जातकर अजून पर्यंत they are neither they are giving powers as promised nor the money promised to the ZPs. पंचायतीक ना पावर दिल्ले ना, आणि the third state finance commission is a requirement of the constitution as per the constitution of India.